Karibu. Welcome to the Africa AI Creators Academy. I'm Naya Radiance, a Maasai artist, sculptor, storyteller, and daughter of East African soil and imagination. I create from what others discard. I turn recycled materials into beauty. That's why I believe in this academy. Because we are here to take what we've been given and remake it into something extraordinary. In the next 4 weeks, we are going to prove something radical. Creative AI doesn't replace artists, it amplifies us. You don't need to write a single line of code to become an AI creator. What you do need is voice, vision, and the courage to remix tradition with tomorrow. Africa's creative economy is unstoppable. But in the world of artificial intelligence, our stories are still shadows. This academy was created to change that. To center your voice, your culture, and your creativity in the future being built right now. Here's what's happening next. In the coming days, you'll receive access to the ArtsEnvoy.ai platform, pre-recorded video lessons from our African AI teaching artists, details for joining our live training sessions. But today, you begin week 0, our official kickoff. This week is all about exploration. Inside, you'll find short video tutorials and hands-on assignments designed to spark your creativity and prepare you for what's ahead. Are you ready to explore, invent, and amplify your voice with AI? Let's begin.